Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, compass, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.